Welcome to the Cutout Studio Stand Assembly Training Tutorial by AGC Education. In this video, we will cover assembling the Cutout Studio stand and connecting the cutter to the stand. Step 1. Open the Cutout Studio box. Step 2. Remove the accessories box. In this box, you will see the Sign Master software, network cable, USB cable, spare cutting blades, pen plotting tool, power cord, stand screws, and stand brackets. Note, we will only need the stand screws and the stand brackets for this lesson. Step 3. Remove the stand center rail from the box. Step 4. Remove the stand media roller bars from the box. Step 5. Remove the Cutout Studio unit from the box. Note, set the cutter aside. Once the stand is assembled, we will be placing the cutter onto the stand. Step 6. Remove the remaining stand parts from the box. These parts will include 2 stand feet assemblies and 2 stand leg uprights. Step 7. Building the stand. The most efficient way to build the stand is to start from the bottom stand feet and stand leg uprights. Position one of the stand bottom feet assemblies with the adjustable feet facing down as shown. Position one of the stand leg uprights vertically above the stand feet. Note, the stand uprights should be positioned so that the 8 holes located in the upright assembly are at the top. Step 8. Separate your screws by size. At this time, take a few minutes and organize your screws by size. This will help the next few steps go faster. Step 9. Now that you have organized your screws by size, take 4 of the 8 longest screws and use these screws to fasten the lower stand feet to the stand upright leg assembly. Repeat this step for the other side. Once both stand leg uprights and stand feet have been connected, you will now have the right and left stand legs completed. Step 10. Connecting the stand center rail to the legs. Locate the center rail. Position the center rail as shown. The center rail connects to the bottom 4 holes of the stand upright assembly. Locate the 8 longest screws remaining. Using 4 of these screws, connect the center rail by inserting the screws from the outside of the leg and screwing them into the center rail. To connect the opposite leg, position the leg with the connected center rail on its side as shown. Position the other leg assembly on top of the assembled stand leg and center rail. Align the mounting holes and insert the 4 remaining screws and tighten. Complete step 10 by turning the stand upright. Step 11. Attaching the media roller bar brackets. Locate the 2 media roll bar brackets. Position one of the media roller bar brackets as shown. Note, the media roller bar bracket mounts to the inside of the stand vertical leg upright. The media roller bar brackets will have the 90-degree bottom facing towards the center of the stand. Locate 8 of the remaining next largest screws. Using 4 of the 8 screws, mount the media roller bar bracket to the leg by inserting the screws from the outside of the leg and screwing them into the bracket. Repeat this step for the other side of the stand assembly. Once you have attached both media roller bar brackets to each side of the stand legs, you have completed step 11. Step 12. Inserting the media roller bars into the bracket. Locate the 2 media roller bars. The media roller bars sit behind the cutter. When using a roll of media, the roll will sit on these bars, allowing the roll to turn as material is pulled into the cutter. Place the media roller bars into the front and rear grooves of the bracket as shown. Step 13. Installing the cutter mounting brackets. Locate the 2 cutter mounting brackets. Position one of the brackets on the stand leg upright. Note the oval holes should be facing towards the center of the stand on both sides. Locate the 8 screws with the tapered head. Using 4 of these screws, attach the cutter mounting bracket to the leg upright. Repeat this step for the other side. Step 14. Placing the cutter on the stand. Remove all packaging styrofoam from the cutter and place the cutter on the stand. Position the cutter so that the mounting holes align with the holes in the cutter mounting bracket. Using 2 of the 4 remaining screws, insert the screw through the mounting bracket and into the bottom of the cutter. Repeat this step for both sides of the cutter. Congratulations! You have completed the Cutout Studio stand assembly. If you have any questions or need additional assistance with any of our tools, please contact your support specialist at 1-800-535-7553.